What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video. Hope everybody having an awesome day. Today, man, we got a nice, short, sweet video for you. Hey, I'm just changing out two little things that I've been wanting to change out. You know, since I've been putting the red on here, and you heard about my 2-pack latch getting broken. I do have another one, but I'm gonna show you what I ordered, and we're gonna get into the video right after this. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all know that I've been putting just pieces of red on the bike right here. And today, y'all, we just gonna change the shift linkage here. I got the Khrome on here that I've been rocking right now. It's got the contrast cut, you know, contrast in black. You know, it looks good. But today, y'all, we are putting the Santoro on here, shift linkage here. Very nice looking, real clean. I really like the design that they have right here. You can't hardly see it, but it does have a design on the end of it. And one thing about these, you gotta make sure with the balls in here, you gotta make sure you keep these lubricated, man. Make sure you definitely keep these lubricated so they won't rust out, start getting real hard and everything. And it came with the screws as well. Let me get the screws out of here. Oh, they stapled the screws in here. I just got this yesterday. And I wanted to bring y'all along with me. Y'all, they stapled deals in here. But let me just rip it open. But see, it came with the screws with the little red on the end of it. I think that's gonna look really sweet too. So yeah, but I really like this, man. Look how it goes with the red on the tank. That stuff, I mean, it matches it to the T. So yeah, it's gonna look real good sitting right here. Yeah, and all you gotta do is take this one off right here that you have right here. I already kind of got it loosened up, so we're gonna take this one off here, the Khrome one that I have on here right now, and we just gonna match them up, y'all. That's all we're gonna do. I got to screw this one out of here. The back one screws into the, you know, into this. So we're gonna take that out, and we're gonna show you what I'm talking about when you measure them up together. But so cause you want it the same length so that your shifter won't change. So when you get these measured the same length, your shifter shouldn't change. It should be the same. So let me get this screw out of here. We get this screw out right here, and we're gonna measure it up together. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, what we're gonna do, we just gonna measure these two up right here. That's normally what I do. I measure these two up, and they look like they already about the same. And y'all, and I do use blue Loctite on mine as well. Look like that'll be good right there. So, and I do use blue Loctite, like I said, I have some right here. And we're gonna get it on and see what it look like. But man, this is like a candy red. I ordered the candy red. They have two different reds on their website, on Santoro website. But I think they called it Harley red or something like that. Probably like what they got on the CVO motors and stuff like that, but this is the candy red. So like I said, I needed that to actually go with that. We're gonna get the screws out, but like I said, this is a Khrome right here. Really nice, man. This is, I bought this about $100, man. Still in good shape. Look really nice. But let's get this one on, and when I get it on, I'm gonna show you what it look like. All right, let's do it. Hey y'all, check out how that looks. I like the way it looked because it just blends in with everything, and the red that I have in my clutch as well. So I think that looks really good together. Like I said, I'm not gonna add a whole lot of red on here at all. I'm not gonna do that and make it look all gaudy looking. But I have another thing, reason why I got my 2-pack on. This is the lock that came on that tour pack. So I have another lock. I just ordered it from Harley a couple of weeks ago. You know, these take a while to come in, so yeah. So this should match up with everything, with the key. And you can actually tell this one is Harley. I'm gonna show you why. You can see it. This is the Harley. You see how thick that is right here, this right here? And this is the stock one, look at that. Total big difference, a lot wider, the Harley one is, and it's a lot better, so yeah. So we're gonna change this off too as well. I'm gonna make sure this key works on here because I know the other key already works. Yeah, so we good. So we're gonna put this lock on real quick. Shouldn't take that long. Put it in. Make sure you use the blue Loctite. And we're gonna end this video. So let me get it on. All right, y'all, I got it on there. It's easy to install. Very easy. Just you don't have to take your latch off. You just open this up right here. If you look, just open this. Screwdriver, hex bit go right through here. You got 2 screws. All you gotta do is take those off right there, and you can pull that off. So yeah, but it works, man. I should have done this a long time ago because I've been having this tour pack for a while, and yeah, I should have done this a long time ago. But we're gonna wrap this video up here. All right, y'all, we got everything on, man. Just that looks really good to me. I like that. I'm trying not to put no more red on there. If I do, it might be the gas cap. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much done with putting the little red pieces. If you didn't notice, I did get my calipers right here done, powder coated, and I got the little red tip on here as well. So yeah, that looks really good. I gotta wash my bike because I hadn't washed it. But to get this lock, if you buy a aftermarket tour pack, just go to your Harley Davidson. Let them get your VIN number and order your new one. Mine was like 74 bucks. That's with tax and everything. So get that done so you can have the matching key. You won't have to have all those different keys on your keychain. I hated that, and I can't believe I waited that long to get it done. So now that it's done, hey, I'm happy with it. I got extra keys too. So yeah, man, just go to your dealership. Give them your VIN number. Tell them you need to order a key lock for your tour pack or whatever, your saddlebags. If you get aftermarket saddlebags, they can order that too as well. But y'all, that's a pretty shift linkage chain. That's the Kiriaki and that boy nice. But y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. Until the next time, y'all stay safe out there. Y'all have a blessed day. Man, we got some great rides coming up. We got the Black Wall Street coming up. That's, I think it's May 15th through the 17th. If I'm wrong, I have to get it posted up. And we got Just GQ ride, the Peace Army ride down in New Orleans. Hey y'all, and put down in the comments, should I do the fellowship ride again? Should I do the fellowship ride? Y'all let me know in the comments. Some people ask me was I gonna do it, but I'm not sure. But hey, I'll let you know. I'm out of here. Peace.